sa puso lamang makikita ang tunay na yaman.
My God, Cassie! Ano na naman ba, Marga? You do know the liar is my fake. Is the Cassie in fake. Hindi ka mukhang dragon. Ano ba, Marga? Huwag kang maarte. Hindi ka totoong anak ni Lolo Dad.
Our country is blessed with so many land features such as mountains and volcanoes. These land features can be sources of different minerals and can be used for agricultural purposes. For example, we have the majestic and world-renowned Mayon volcano. Because of its activity, it produces fertile slopes and plains which are used by the locals to grow their crops.
Have you ever wondered why our country is endowed with these kind of geologic features? Well, if your answer is yes, then this video will help you find the answer to your question.
In this video, we will study thoroughly the framework that enables us to understand the how and why several features of the Earth continuously changes. This theory is what we call plate tectonics.
These describe the events of the Earth that give rises to the mountain ranges, volcanoes, earthquake belts, and other features of the Earth's surface.
Plate tectonics. Let's study the structure of the Earth first. The Earth is made up of many layers, like an onion or like an apple. The Earth consists of 4 layers: the crust, mantle, outer core, and inner core.
The crust. The crust is the outermost and the thinnest layer of the Earth. It varies from about 5 kilometers to around 70 kilometers thin on land. Second is the mantle. The mantle is made up of little different silicate rocks. Most of it consists of iron and nickel.
The outer core. It is the third layer of the Earth. It is very, very hot, and its thickness is around 2,300 kilometers. It creates a magnetic field and makes a blockade around the Earth, which protects us from the harmful UV rays.
Then, there's the inner core. The inner core is also made up of nickel and iron, but in solid form. It is also as hot as the surface of the sun, which is 5,000 degrees Celsius. Hot. Very, very hot.
Now, let's talk about plate tectonics. Plate tectonics are a combination of the upper mantle and the crust. These plates move very slowly. You can say about a couple of inches a year.
The idea that our planet's continents drift around the globe, periodically glowing together and breaking apart is at least 200 years old. But geologists didn't believe it until the 1960s, when mounting evidence made it clear that the Earth's crust is broken up into fragments and that those fragments called tectonic plates are moving. Now, these days, we directly track that motion with millimeter precision from space.
The common and simplified explanation on why the tectonic plates are moving is that they are carried along on current in the upper mantle, the slowly flowing layer of rock just below the Earth's crust.
Converging current drives plates into each other, while diverging current pull them apart. This is mostly true. Hot mantle rocks coming from the core moves along under the crust until it goes cool and heavy and sinks back down again. But these plates aren't just passively riding around like a bunch of suitcases in a baggage claim.
For example, the Nazca Plate, a chunk of ocean crust off the west coast of South America, is cruising eastward at about 10 cm per year, while the mantle underneath it oozes along at its spine. Neither tectonic plates nor luggage can move faster than the belt they are riding on
Unless something is helping them to push and pull them along. Some of the Earth's plate turns out to be pushing themselves.
As the edge of the seafloor sinks into the mantle, it pulls on the plate behind it, the same way as a chain dangling further and further off the table will eventually start to slide.
Boundaries is important because along these boundaries, the formation of the lithosphere is happening. These geologic events have a great impact not only on the environment but also on us.